What are you doing up there, little boy? Huh? What you doing, baby boy? What you doing? Look at that big eye. Look at that big eye looking at your mama. Look at that big eye. Oh, you're looking everywhere. You need a little bit of meat on your bones. I think you do. Oops. I think you need a little more meat on your bones. Look at that handsome boy. Look at Mama's handsome boy. Look at Mama's handsome boy. Well, actually, I think you're a beautiful girl because Stanley was given to me by someone who had had him for 16 years. I've had him 14. And he does not have the behavior or the vocalization of a male bird. But she said he was a boy, and I don't think he is. I think he's a girl. So I think Stan Lee is Stanlet. Yes, I do. But you're such a good baby. I don't care if you're a boy or a girl. Yeah, that's right. Mom doesn't care. As long as you're healthy, that's all I care about. You have to stay healthy. Healthy for your mama. And healthy for you. Yes. Mama loves a baby birdie. Bula loves a baby birdie. Yes, she does. Looking all around. Where are we? We're someplace different. What do you think? Can you see the TV? Yeah? I'll make sure you can see the TV clearly. Yes, I will. Maybe I'll put the blanket on the one side of your cage. Maybe the air conditioner's blowing on you a little bit. Because you got your wings down. That's not the way they're supposed to be. Yeah. You're such a good boy. You gonna dance? If your mother could sing, you might dance. You might dance if Mama could sing. But Mama don't sing. Boop boopy doopy doo, boop boopy doopy doo. You sharpening your beak, baby? That's a mineral perch. And I see he's got it very well chewed. That's good for his beak to keep it groomed because the beak grows very long. So he needs to keep it the right size and the right shape. If you notice, he turns his head from side to side. He knows exactly how his beak is supposed to be shaped. And that's what he does when he's biting on that mineral stick. Bites it from side to side. It also helps to keep his toenails from getting too long. Where are you going, little boy? Where are you going? Get a drink. It's got 2 waters and 2 foods. So we got 2 water dishes and 2 food dishes. He's never really been one for a lot of toys. And there's his toy. Sometimes he loves his toy. Sometimes he beats his toy. If his toy doesn't cooperate with him, he beats on it. Don't ya? Don't ya? Sometimes he does. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Talk to mommy. Come on, Stan. Talk to mama. That's right. That beak is just like having a third hand. That cage looks a mess, but it does get cleaned on a regular basis. Cockatiels are from Australia. They like to walk around on the ground and forage the seeds and things like that. Probably some fruit, maybe a few insects. So he has millet that's hanging from the top of the cage, and he has millet on the floor. And he eats both. Now he hangs up here, and you see he eats this. He'll hang and eat all the way up to the top. And he gets down on the floor. Eats on the floor. And I'll be cleaning his cage probably today or tomorrow. I'm just concerned because his feathers are not compressed like they usually are. They're kind of looking loose. Well, maybe he has some feathers that are going to fall off. Maybe that's why they look that way. I don't know. 14 years, little guy's just hung in there. He loves to ride in the car. Loves to look out the windows. Loves it when we go to a park and he can chirp to all the other birds. And when I go to the wound care specialist, I park in the covered garage. There are so many parakeets nesting in there, thousands. I mean, it's a lot of racket. He likes to sit in there and chirp to the birds up in the openings just above the cars. They're all over the place in there. And apparently they're thriving because the colony is enormous. It's a good boy. 14 years, a very long time. And he's traveled the state of Florida several times. That's an outdoor thermometer on the floor of his cage. That way I can monitor the temperature in the cage all the time. Make sure he's never too cold or too hot. He has to have his temperature just right. He used to be in an enormous cage with 4 other cockatiels and 2 parakeets. But over the years, they all died. So he's by himself. And I've thought about getting a parakeet, but to keep him company, he's never been real social. And he used to get annoyed with the parakeets because they're very social and they like get in your face. And he doesn't like that. He'll put up with the parakeet, but he wants them to keep their distance. He's not sort of affectionate with them. Okay, well, count your blessings. Look hard for them until you find them. And don't forget, stay well, stay blessed, be grateful.